Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I'm Trey. Welcome to Overland Hemisphere. We usually go in Access 6 on South Padre Island, but this late evening we decided to take Access 5 and see if there was anyone that was in need of recovery before we reached our camping destination. We are coming in to one of the last accesses that has utilities for those who want to visit but still have creature comforts.
That's crazy.
You have a covered canopy, you have showers, you have running water, parking area, and if you don't feel comfortable driving on the sand, this is a great place for you to come. But stick around and let's see what we can get into.
This is crazy that there's this many people. Yeah, thank goodness. And that's because the sand doesn't really look that bad, right?
That one little area was just a little bit loose for your traction control and jack you up. We got too much momentum.
It's the whole flipping that gets to me.
South Padre Island is a very popular destination. As you can see, it's super late at night and it is packed full of people. There are areas of the beach that are really soft like this and areas that are packed down hard. The tides have a lot to do with it, and we came at a typical high tide.
Well, hopefully there's more recoveries tomorrow. I saw it. This way.
And it's an evasive maneuver, you gotta go like this real fast.
Yeah.
See? And then it'll change your lane. But you lose a lot of momentum.
Yeah. That's crazy how it dips like that.
It's a weird tide. Looks like we're getting the recovery today.
It looks like I'm gonna get off.
Yes.
Ooh, that's not where the muffler is.
Yeah, careful. Come on this side. Yes. Wash your eyes with the sand. For our recoveries, we have one kinetic recovery rope that's 1.5 inches thick and 2 rope shackles. Those rope shackles will soon need to be replaced. And we have a big announcement coming soon, probably in our next upload, so stay tuned for that.
River.
Come back up. And now we're gonna do the same.
And of course they don't care, because who's going to come out here and check?
Me! That's who! You wouldn't want somebody disregarding the no trespass signs on your private property. These signs are up here for a reason, and I'm sure they're not going to be up here forever. Stop taking them down, leave them where they're at, and obey the law. Well, as per usual, we didn't catch any fish, but I did hook a sizable red that I lost. On our way back, we saw this incredible display of disrespect to the beach, and we did what any good, moral, sober person would do, and that's stop and pick up the trash. We also ended up picking up 3 broken canopies that were just left there. If your canopy breaks, tear it down and put it in your trash barrel. After exiting the beach, we took a left on Highway 48 and took the trails off of the Gaymans Bridge Pier area, just so you guys can see the ship channel that's cut that takes to from the Boca Chica ship channel to the Brownsville,
So this is
the
what,
port of
the
Brownsville.
Gaymans Bridge? Or was it that over there? It's busy, folks. He's not ignoring you.
It is a dust devil. Damn near tornado. This is where we came with the silverback down this way.
Oh, nice. The water looks really nice.
Wow. There's the pipe. There's all those oysters.
This is where I caught my first little fish.
Looks like stuff sitting out there.
Whoa, there you go.
Left behind. If you can dodge a wrench, you can dodge a ball.
I wonder if that's a tombstone.
That's not staying. We'll find out.
Yeah, I know.